My people, welcome again to GLAATORY. On my today's video, I'll show you how I made these Horlicks. This is homemade Horlicks. I'm using this wheat seed, barley seed for making this. So first, I'll be washing it and dipping it on water. Yes, the essence of doing this is to make it to sprout. So I'll be soaking it on this towel and cover it for 3 days in order to allow it to sprout. So I'll do the same thing with the wheat. I will soak it on water and then put it on a towel down and let it sprout also. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you're highly welcome. Please remember to subscribe and follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors. You will never regret. You will learn a lot following me. So I'll cover it and let it sprout for 3 good days. So this is after 3 days. You can see it's already sprouting. You can see already coming out. So now I'll be toasting it or roasting it for 10 minutes. So remember to roast it with low flame. I'll set it aside and let it cool off. Then I'll do the same with the barley. You can see the sprout. So I'm gonna roast it for another 10 minutes. I added handful of almond and handful of cashew nut into it. So I'll roast everything for 10 minutes. So remember, if you're seeing my video for the first time, remember to subscribe and follow my page. You can see it's already popping. So I'll let it cool for 5 minutes before I'll start blending it. So this is homemade Horlicks. If you can do it, just as I always say, if you can do it, why do you need to buy? Why don't you give it a try? You can do it on your own. Just give it a try and have that confidence. At least you're sure of what you are putting inside your body. Now I'll be blending everything into powdery. So remember, don't just watch and go. Please watch, like my video. Please like it. It will not cost you anything. Comment and please share. You can see it's already grinded. Very powdery. So I'll be doing the rest of the camera. Now I'll be sifting it. So you can see this is very easy to make. If you can make your own, why do you need to buy? Why don't you make it? At least you're sure. Here I added powdered sugar, which some people call it icing sugar, and powdered milk. So at this time you can add your vanilla flavor or milk flavor if you want, but I don't want to use that because I have another flavor. I use this Maltose flavor powder. Yes, Maltose, because I'm making Malta cereal. So I use it in order to flavor it. So if you don't have it, you can use your vanilla or milk flavor. It's still okay. You can see it's done. The aroma is everywhere. Just as I said, always say, if you can do it, why do you need to buy? Just give it a try. This is very easy. At least you're sure there's no nonsense inside and you're sure of what you are eating. You can see my Horlicks is ready. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy to make. Just follow the steps. I promise you I'll be making my video very easy to follow. All you need to do is just follow the steps I showed you and you will get it right. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like my video, comment, and please share. And also follow my page on Facebook at GLAATORY Flavors. You can see my Horlicks is ready. With this can last you for 3 months. Just put it on airtight container. Now I'll be trying it out. So at this time, if you like, you can add your milk, but I think I already had milk already inside, so no need. Wow, the aroma is something else, very awesome. Hope you get to try this recipe. This is very easy. You can do it. Homemade Horlicks. You don't need to buy. You can make it with only few ingredients that you can get within your kitchen. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.